Hey guys, welcome to this channel, Glow Up Theory. And yeah, my name is Tanya, and yes, please watch the whole video to achieve this look, how you can go with it, because ये summers के लिए perfect look है. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below about if you want to see my skincare routine or any makeup tutorial you want. Yeah, like this video and share this video with all your friends who want to do this makeup look and you probably want to do it. Hey guys, so this is me without makeup and I know it looks kind of odd, but actually जो makeup tutorial, जो makeup look आज basically हम करने वाले हैं वो ज़्यादा tough नहीं होने वाला है. It's gonna be very easy because I feel like in India अभी क्योंकि like May, June, July बहुत time तक like humidity रहने वाली है and you want something which is not too much in your face. So yeah, that is important. So the first thing actually, so can you just look at the condition of my lips? It's horrible. So before that, before I apply any of my makeup, I always use this. Actually, this is faded. Can you see? Like, इसका पूरा ये fade हो गया है. Like, look how much I've used it already. This is the Rose Petal Lip Balm of Jopi Herbals. It's really nice. Actually, sometimes I use it as a mask because it's so thick. And it's very moisturizing as well, and I love the fragrance of rose and the rose essence. Even I have rose plant at home because I love it so much. Like everything regarding the rose thing, I really love it. Like it's my obsession. Anyways, so the second most important thing when it comes to summers is the sunscreen which you want. And if you want like a 2-in-1 kind of a thing, you can go for a tinted sunscreen. Actually, I also have the Dot & Key one, but I always use this. It's only because how do I explain this? I don't have to like go through that shade chart. I'm very confused, always confused about what shade should I use. So yeah. So this is the Lakme Night 25 Tint Sun Expert sunscreen. It's with SPF 50 PA++. Take a little mirror, just about this much. I'm gonna take my mirror. See, it's so pretty. It's like a very bohemian kind of a thing. And to be very honest, डे लुक के लिए कभी भी प्राइमर्स की जरूरत पड़ती है नहीं. Like yeah, यही मेरा मानना है क्योंकि primers. And yeah, before I forget, yes, I have done my skincare because I'm a dry skin girl and कुछ भी हो, कोई भी weather हो, मैं अपना skincare कभी skip नहीं कर सकती. So yeah, see, it's about to finish. I've used it so much, it's like barely coming out already. And I know I look like I have chickenpox face, but don't worry though, सुंदर बन के दिखाती हूँ. So yeah, this is it, and it's gonna so before anything. And if you want like my skincare routine, just let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, I'll make a routine. And by the way, the first thing, now I'm gonna do my concealer and like my color correction. And the first thing is going to be, I have to hide this. Can you see this is like a red mark or something, or I don't know what it is and how it came. Because let's just say I've been eating not a lot of junk food recently, but I don't know why. मुझे बहुत कम पिंपल्स आते हैं, but वो आते हैं ना तो फिर वो like जाते नहीं. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure there are some people out there who like face this problem. So yeah. And by the way, just to cancel out like the redness, you always use a green corrector. Everyone knows that. And this is the Mila Beauty Conceal It Pot Concealer in the shade 11 green corrector. So I always use that, and I'm gonna take my sponge. I've already wet it and I kept it in the container so it doesn't get dirty. And I'm using my very favorite Marska Master Blender Beauty Blender. It absorbs very little things, and voila, it looks really nice. And then I'm going to use my concealer. My concealer is the Blue Heaven Flawless Liquid Concealer in the shade Honey 301. तो यहाँ थोड़ा लगा दिया, that is it. मैं अंडर आइज पे नहीं लगाऊंगी because I don't feel like I need it today. अभी के लिए तो नहीं चाहिए. By touch wood, by God's grace, I have been blessed with good skin because I don't like to experiment too much with my skin. Yeah, that's for real, guys. मेरी like skin literally लोगों को लगता है कि मैं like हमेशा मेकअप लगा रही, but I'm like the person who doesn't know, at least who knows like very least kind of makeup. So just to set like my concealer and like whatever base I've done, I'm gonna use like a compact powder. It's the again Lakme Sun Export. Can you see this? Sun Export ka Ultra Matte Compact. So this is how it looks like. Show you the sponge fell. Sorry, but this is how it looks like. I'm gonna take this brush, like a fluffy, which you can always shake off the excess, and then where you feel like you're getting oily, or where you tend to get a lot of sweat, you just use there. No powder. Although I don't get a lot of oil since I have a dry skin, but I have to be careful because someday, who knows, my skin might change, because my skin has changed a lot. Like in the last few years, a lot of has changed. I'm not gonna like get even started on that. Now that's like my favorite part. This is the new collection of the Swiss Beauty Craze. So I am a huge Friends fan. Like I love it. So this is, I'm not sure like if you guys saw this, but this is the Swiss Beauty Friends ka lip and cheek matte, and it has written like the iconic line of Joey. It has, okay, I'm going to drink some water first.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm sorry, but this has written like the iconic line of Joey Tribbiani. It's how you doing wala. तो ये फ्रेंड्स का नया कलेक्शन वाला है. एक्चुअली मैंने कहा फ्रेंड्स का कभी भी लाइक फ्रेंड्स के थीम द्वारा कोई भी मेकअप लिया नहीं, क्योंकि वो लाइक मेरे बजट से हमेशा बाहर निकल जा रहा है, लाइक 600-500 का, और वो मैं कभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाई थी. तो अभी सिंस मैं अफोर्ड कर पा रही हूँ, ये भी एक्चुअली काफ़ी लाइक द अफोर्डेबल वन, नॉट लाइक द सस्ता आई वुड से. सो इट्स इन द शेड 01 Playful Pink, and when you open it, it comes with this tiny little brush, and then just you open up another, like you have a palette up here, and then you have the pigment down here. Look at it. Like I've used it a little bit because I have to test it out before I use it on camera. I take about this much. Honestly, I love this. Not gonna like lie, but I love this shade so much. Like you'll see in a bit, like why do I use, like I have other lip and cheek tints. I can't for some reason they are not like the perfect color which I want for my um, um, for my face. तो बट ये एक ऐसा कलर है प्लेफुल पिंक स्विस ब्यूटी क्रेज का जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड बाय द वे, इफ यू आर थिंकिंग लाइक व्हाई एम आई यूजिंग इट ऑन माय आईज, if you guys don't know, most of the girls really use like some multi-purpose products and I really needed a pink eyeshadow. मुझे पिंक eyeshadow तो मिला नहीं, लेकिन उसकी जगह पे इतना अच्छा एक like sheer सा tinted वाला thing मिला है, which I'm so grateful for. So whenever you apply a blush, to like make sure it's like on the apples of your cheek, you always smile. It's gonna be creepy. So just gonna blend it out with my fingers. See how sheer it is? I think it's like the most perfect thing which you can apply during the summers. Actually Swiss Beauty के सारे products से सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं. To be very honest, I have most of their products and it's pretty good. Lips, lip के लिए I think I'm gonna use something else, but अभी के लिए इतना काफी है मुझे लग रहा है. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with what I have. And yeah, don't worry guys, this not only comes in like one shade, not only the pink one, it comes in I think the brown shade and a red shade, but brown again doesn't make any sense because I have to like use it on my cheeks and I don't want a bronzer or a contour to wash me out. And yeah, eyes के लिए मैं brown use कर सकती हूँ, but it doesn't make any sense if it's not like multi-purpose. So yeah. Okay, the next thing is to add like a twist to this makeup look. I'm gonna use this. So this is, I'm sure you guys recognize this. This is like the best, not like the best I would say, but this is really good. This is, sorry, I'm just clumsy. This is the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips. It's in the shade Starling Blue. So it comes in a pencil like so, and just to like, I'm doing this because you know you want some color onto your face when it comes to summers. Either you keep your lips very like nice and fresh and like bold sometimes, or you emphasis on your eyes. And for me, my lips are not like my like best feature, but you know, but when it like comes like to my eyes, I can play around with them a lot. So basically this is an eye pencil which is like really cheap. It comes for like, I don't know how much, कितने का था ये, like 50-60 रुपीज का आता है ये. वैसे इनके लिप लाइनर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. दे आर लाइक रियली गुड क्वालिटी. मैं इनके लिप लाइनर्स भी बहुत यूज करती हूँ. तो गिव मी अ मोमेंट, I have to like clean up the edges of it. I don't have any base, but no. Okay. I think I'm pretty happy with whatever I've done with my I think when I'm gonna go outside, it's gonna like shine even brighter. That's what I feel is gonna happen. Yeah. I have done like the forbidden that's why I don't do a wing liner. I think most of the girls face this problem, like the wings are never like even and they like irritate us. And give me a moment, I have to again like use the tissue just to tap off all the sweat that I have. Can I show you guys how much sweat do I generate during the summers? This is like a clean tissue which I've taken. I folded it in like 1x4. Okay. Actually मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसीना आना नहीं चाहिए. I don't know why like मुझे आ रहा है. Like you see how much I've sweated already, and it's been almost only probably 10 minutes I've been into this, and yeah, this is how much humid it gets in India. So yeah, next thing is my mascara. So for my mascara actually I use the Color Bar ka Showstopper eyelash color, and this is my Cutesa Pop Exo powered by My Glam ka mascara. I actually got this before an event. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Actually, you're supposed to like use like a hair dryer or something just to heat up your lash color. But I don't have that today. I have to make do like without this. But yeah, actually, just a tip for you guys is that just don't use your eyelash color without mirrors unless you are in practice, because बहुत बार क्या होता है कि आंखें मतलब eyelids बहुत बार ना चुभती है हमें. That is true, मुझे बहुत बार चुभी है इस टाइम. तो प्लीज इन चीज़ों का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. तो I'm done with this. What should I do next? Okay, should I use like my okay, I'm gonna use my lip liner and my lipstick. So for my lip liner, I already told you guys which is my favorite. It's the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips in the shade Sandy Pink. It's a beautiful like a nude pink shade. It goes everything under the sun. So just take off all the lip balm that I have. Like lips की हालत देखो, यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा एक spot है. It's really terrible. So please don't make fun of me when I'm doing this. So actually open your mouth because उससे ज़्यादा ठीक से लगेगा. There we go. And this is like my favorite lip color ever. I have used this particular shade for the last 3 years during my college time, and then after that I just bought it again recently. It's the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade 12 Ginger Brown, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So I don't mind like putting it through the wand. If it was something like some else shade, I just like, and yeah, after it like settles down, yes, it stays like throughout, and yes, it does like give you what it claims to be. So yeah, तो ये एक सिंपल सा लुक है जो मुझे लगता है. एंड द फर्स्ट एंड माय टुडेज फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट हैज टू बी दिस. दिस इज like my favorite thing ever. it's going to be. I bought it today only actually. तो ये मैंने नायका से परचेज किया है एंड आई थिंक फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजोन में भी अवेलेबल है. ये पर्पल के बारे में नहीं पता, मैं वो यूज नहीं करती वो ऐप, बट या हाउ यू डूइंग वाला टिंट, इट्स लाइक माय बेस्ट थिंग एवर. And yeah, and because I'm a Friends fan, I have to use it. So yeah, so I think my lipstick has like settled down now, and yeah, like I think this is a very decent look which you can go for on like an everyday basis. Okay, if you don't want to do this colorful liner, I'm gonna tell you some subtle shades of eyeliner, I guess, but you know, so this is one. This is the Just Herbs ka liquid, no, herb enriched eyeliner. This is the shade Bubblegum Pink. So this is the pink color eyeliner. I use this very often, and this is like my favorite brown kajal ever. This is the Sugar Pop wala Mongway Kajal 03 brown. Like this is like an intense, like a chocolatey brown with like a some tint of red in it, because I would really love that, and it like brings out your eyes. And this is the Nykaa Glamorize what is this? Glamorize color eyeliner eye pencil. This is in shade Bronzite, so this is like a bronzy color. This is the color of that, and yeah, and I guess if you don't also want that, and if you're going out at night, then this is a liquid eyeliner to try. This is the Mars का पहले जो वायरल हुआ था Northern Light liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Polar Pink. Actually, this is like a duochrome. I'm sorry, इसकी wand की like धज्जो हो चुकी है, तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. But मैं इसको I use it anyways with like my different वाला eyeliner brush. This is really good. Like this is like a duochrome, very cool eyeliner. That is it. And the one thing that I didn't like show you guys is this. This is my Color Queens ka. Can you guys see this? Color Queens ka clear lash and brow mascara. So instead of like using like anything else, I just use this just to make sure that my brows don't go all over the place. And because my brows are a bit different, because I obviously threaded them, I look very neat. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. तो आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. Bye. So that is it for today, guys. Yeah, थोड़ी तो मेहनत लगती है यार मेकअप करने में, और हाँ, and make sure you like in summers when you have like heavy hair, just make sure that you buy like a really good like clutcher, and make sure you use like a really nice hair finishing stick, because that is what I'm using currently. Yeah. And yes, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with all your friends, and leave a comment down below if you want to see like my skincare routine or any other makeup look from me. Bye.